Good afternoon students. Today we have to solve simultaneous linear differential equations. Example 1. Solve dx by dt plus 2x minus 3y equal to t. This is first equation. Dy by dt minus 3x plus 2y equal to e power 2t. This is second equation. We can be written as d plus 2 into x minus 3y equal to t. D plus 2 into y minus 3x equal to e power 2t. Since d by dt equal to t. First equation is multiplied by d by 2, d plus 2. Then second equation multiplied by 3. We can get d plus 2 the whole square into x minus 3 into d plus 2 into y. That is equal to d plus 2 into t. Then the second is multiplied by 3. We can get this equation. We can add equation 3 and 2, 4. Then we can get d plus 2 the whole square x minus 3 into d plus 2 into y plus 3 into d plus 2 into y minus 9x equal to d plus 2 into t plus 3 into e power 2t. Here we can cancel these two terms. Then we can expand d plus 2 the whole square form, a plus b the whole square form. Then we can get this. Then we can get right side, multiply that by t. Then we can get dt is one value, dt by dt equal to 1. We have to know dt by dt equal to 1. Then we can get this equation, d square plus 4d minus 5 into x equal to 1 plus 2t plus 3 e power 2t. Here x term and t term only have, y is cancelled here. Then we can get dx by dt form. This is actually this is the linear differential equation form. Then we can get auxiliary equation form is m square plus 4m minus 5 equal to 0. We can factorize this. We can get m minus 1 is a factor, m plus 5 is one of the factor. Then complementary function is, this is unequal factors. So we can get c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t. Then find particular integral value. 1 by f of d is d square plus 4d minus 5 into q term 1 plus 2t plus 3 e power 2t. Then we can multiply this term inside all these two terms. Then we can get this. Then denominator, first part is denominator is, first term is denominator values. We can get minus 5 is outside. Then we can get 1 minus d square plus 4d by 5. So we can, this is goes to numerator part. We can get 1 minus x the whole inverse form, 1 minus d square plus 4d by 5 the whole inverse. This is x term is d square plus 4d by 5. We can expand 1 minus x the whole inverse form, 1 plus d square plus 4d by 5 plus x square, like that. We can multiply this term. The expand form is multiplied by 1 plus 2t. Then we can get this answer 1 plus 2t plus 8 by 5. Then multiply by 1 minus 1 by 5 in these three terms. Then get this. Then we can simplify this term. We can get minus 13 by 5 minus 2t by 5 plus 3 e power 2t by 7. Then we can get the solution as complementary function plus particular integral. Then x value is x equal to c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t minus 13 by 5 minus 2t by 5 plus 3 e power 2t by 7. We have to substitute this value x in 1. We can get d plus 2 into c1 e power t plus c2 e power minus 5t minus 13 by 5 minus 2t by 5 2t by 5 plus 3 e power 2t by 7. So you have to multiply the terms in inside d plus 2. D term is multiplied by all the terms. First of all, we have to differentiate all the terms. We can get these terms c1 e power t minus 5 c2 e power minus 5t, like that. We can differentiate all the terms first, then multiply by 2, then add these two terms. Then we can get 1 by 3. 3 is came to left side. 1 by 3 into 3 c1 e power t minus 3 c2 e power minus 5t minus 36 by 25 minus 90 by 5 plus 12 by 7 e power 2t equal to y. Then you have divide all these terms by 3. Then we can get the y solution. Y value is y equal to c1 e power t minus c2 e power minus 5t minus 3t by 5 plus 4 e power 2t by 7 plus 12 by 25. So we can get